person who is aspiring to do something in life, medicine is really an excellent profession. Medicine has a service element to it, something where you are healing, treating, and also providing a service to the patient. The patient may come in with various problems, and if you are able to solve those problems, which are really life changing, sight changing, they can be emotionally changing for a person, there cannot be anything more gratifying than that. I would say the message that I have for the youngsters is that the first and the foremost thing is your solid foundations. You need to look at being well educated. You need to actually be craving for knowledge to find out as to what exactly the ifs and buts and whys for why things are being done in a particular manner. If you have solid foundations of education, the next step is to have the skill development. When you are an operating surgeon, the skill development is something very important, and you need to be looking at being absolutely the last word in a particular super specialization. The third important thing is you have to keep on adapting and to keep on molding yourself to anything new that is coming in, which you have to test and try and see whether it works or not. If you are straitjacketed and you have a blocked mind, you will never grow. You have to actually keep on reinventing yourself. That is something very important. The next important thing is no hard work, no success. When you have to be successful, you have to work hard. You have to have a focus onto what you want to do and where you want to go. Your goals, whether short-term, long-term, have to be defined beforehand, and accordingly you have to set your parameters. Write what you want to do in a single paragraph and see how you are going to achieve those particular things. So friends, dream big, that what you want to do. If you have never dreamt of doing anything, you will never be able to achieve things. Kalam Saab said, dreams are not those which you get while you are sleeping. Dreams are those which don't let you sleep. So you have to actually dream big. You have to work hard. You have to have solid foundations. Think out of the box and set a goal and a target for yourself. Work very hard towards achieving them, and don't let obstacles or don't let failures deter you. They should always be looked as upon something which has been a learning experience. It is not that you did 1,000 experiments and you failed in them. You have to say you did 1,000 experiments and you learned 10,000 things out of it, how to do things better. So this is what I'll have to tell you as possibly the recipe for success and achieving something in your life, creating institutions or building legacies which you can leave behind. Thank you.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.